Hi, I am Mangal. Today I am going to show you my Save Nature project. On first page, I have drawn the beautiful earth. And I have written I can help the earth. In second page, I written Save Nature poem. I keep on hoping and wishing, but our resources are diminishing. The trees that do so much for you and me, see as they fall. 1, 2, 3. On the land and in the sea, we are losing biodiversity. Our land, water and air are polluted. It's just not fair. Is what we are gaining worth the cost. As the planet of our birth is slowly being lost. On third page, I have written things I can reuse. Plastic bags, plastic bottles. Do not throw plastic in water. It is harmful for marine life. On fourth page, I have written about deforestation. Do not cut trees. Plant more and more trees. Trees help us by giving us food, oxygen. It reduces global warming and responsible for regular raining. On fifth page, I have written save energy. Switch off computer when not in use. Switch off the lights when not in room. And on sixth page, I have written way I can save water. Don't leave tap dripping. Take short showers or use bucket. Use watering cans instead of hose. Collect and store rainwater. And on 7th page, I have written about solar energy. Use solar energy and windmills as much as possible. Save fuel. Use bicycles or electric vehicles. Thank you.